Welcome back everybody. So before I get on with today's project, I want to give a quick shout out to a young girl in the community called Susie. She's got a YouTube channel and it's called Susie's Dragon Tail Turnings. She's very new to the community and very new to wood turning. So it'd be awesome if you could go over there and give her some support. She's only just got a workshop built, so apologies to her dad for kind of being a helper and spending all of his money and getting said workshop built. But there you go, got to get her out there turning. So yeah, I'm going to leave a link to her channel up into the cards up there, and I'll leave a link down in the description. So please head over there and just let her know that JP sent you. I'm sure she'll be happy to see you. Anyway, today's project, I'm going to actually show you it before I actually get to the turning this time. I actually made a mahogany lidded, I don't know what to call it really, a bowl lidded pot thing. Don't know. I'll let you decide what it's called, and maybe we can come up with a title, and I'll change the title later on. I don't know. But at the moment I think I'm just going to call it a lidded bowl, I guess. So yeah, if you want to see how I was turned it, stick around.
Give me something new, I want it back, through and through. Just do it, I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you, I'm too good. Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. Music and the little things without you don't mean a thing. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you, 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 I'm too good. There's no ceiling when you are near me. Worth the waiting, baby, believe me. A chance of you is worth taking. There's no limit when you are near me. Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling all my love and how it feels right. Sending you my love. So tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. tell me you feeling on my love, and how it feels right sending you my love. So tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling on my love, and how it feels right sending you my love, my love, my love, my love. Loved you from the first time you called me late. Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Yeah, always on my mind, always in my brain. Yeah, with you the summer came and went in a day, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. When you're miles away, yeah, you can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. Ooh, and I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. Forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. Forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. I would never ask you to give up things. I just wanna give you all I can. There's nothing but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. You don't need to tell me that you love me. I don't mind waiting for it to show. Something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. Ooh. ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go or let you down. There's nothing but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me